Imagine this scenario. You step into a room and find a puzzle awaiting you. 4 cards lie on a table, each displaying a number or letter. A voice urges, "Flip the cards to see if the rule holds true." Most people find themselves frozen in uncertainty. But here's the intriguing twist. This puzzle, known as the Wason Test, unveils the workings of genius minds. Once you uncover these concealed patterns, you'll notice them in everyday life, be it problem-solving, reading others, or mastering chess. By the end of this video, you won't just grasp high IQ thinking, but you'll also begin employing these strategies. Now, envision your brain as a chessboard. While many see 64 squares, a genius perceives routes for ideas, shortcuts, and hidden traps. Let's explore how this phenomenon works. I once witnessed a remarkable young chess player, just 12 years old, triumph over 3 adult competitors. It wasn't from memorized strategies or far-reaching calculations. He recognized patterns that eluded everyone else. When ordinary players analyze a chess position, they focus on isolated pieces. He perceived connections and organized the board into significant shapes, like reading full words rather than individual letters. This is the first hidden pattern: chunking. This technique enables your brain to condense information, empowering you to think rapidly, enhance memory, and tackle complex problems with ease. A chess master recalls not all 32 pieces, but 5 to 6 meaningful chunks representing the board. Here's the twist: your brain operates in this manner daily. You don't dissect every letter when you read or scrutinize every detail while walking. Instead, you classify your reality into safe, danger, familiar, and novel. Imagine applying this same compressing power to your ideas and logic. Suddenly, life becomes more predictable, and that's where true intelligence flourishes. High IQ individuals are like pattern-predicting machines. Every choice relies on anticipating outcomes. Your mind conducts simulations resembling a chess engine, searching for the optimal move. When you open a door, you visualize what may lie beyond. When a text arrives saying, "We need to talk," you prepare for tension. Hearing footsteps behind you makes you sense potential risk. However, geniuses excel at recognizing patterns even before they fully materialize. They identify symmetry and discern structures amid chaos. The human brain favors symmetry due to its association with safety. Geniuses, however, extend this knack for symmetry detection, uncovering hidden patterns within disorder, transforming chaos into order. Consider Einstein for a moment. He famously stated, "If you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it well enough." He simplified concepts not merely for teaching, but because his mind naturally transformed complexity into order. Now, glance around your room. Notice how your brain categorizes objects by shape and color. That's your brain chunking and detecting symmetry in action, the same cognitive processes that characterize genius. Let's revisit the Wason Test. The rule is clear. If a card shows a vowel, the opposite side must display an even number. Most people mistakenly select their cards while seeking confirmation. In contrast, high IQ thinkers chase disconfirmation. They actively search for evidence that can challenge the rule. Just like in chess, beginners focus on successful moves while experienced players pinpoint potential failures. This Wason mindset serves as a form of logical self-defense. It depicts why some individuals cultivate greater intelligence while others plateau. Reflect on this real-life example. When launching a business, an average thinker gathers reasons supporting success. A genius, however, identifies potential pitfalls and addresses them before they emerge. Now, let's merge our insights: chunking, prediction, symmetry, and disconfirmation. Here lies the magic. High IQ thinking isn't merely about inherent intelligence. It's about translating reality into efficient mental shortcuts. Visualize geniuses compressing information like a zip file condenses data, retaining more information with reduced mental effort. Einstein grasped patterns in physics, while Ramanujan intuited the shape of mathematical answers. Chess masters like Magnus Carlsen identify positions without deep analysis. You can cultivate this skill as well. Try this tomorrow. As you enter a new space, pinpoint 3-4 chunks instead of deeming it chaotic. Clothes area, desk cluster, dining zone, discard pile. You're converting disorder into organized templates. When solving problems, seek out failure points instead of merely celebrating successes. You're unlocking the genius approach to disconfirmation. As you observe someone's behavior, tune out their words. Concentrate on their tone, timing, posture, and expressions for immediate clarity. Let's wrap up with chess. A novice fixates on tactics, while an intermediate player forges strategies, and a strong player discerns patterns. A genius recognizes overarching themes, the underlying physics of the position. Living with such mental clarity diminishes problems, streamlines decisions, and sharpens ideas. This embodies genius. Wisdom isn't attained through mere information accumulation, but by reorganizing it in a unique manner. The methods we've explored, chunking, symmetry, prediction, disconfirmation, and compression, aren't innate traits. They're habits. Train them, and your thinking will undergo a profound transformation. If you're still here, it reveals a strong curiosity, an echo of a high-level thinker's mindset. If you wish to refine your brain and explore intelligence further, subscribe to our channel. Join us in building a community of inquisitive minds eager to uncover the hidden mechanisms of intelligence, physics, mathematics, and human behavior. Hit the subscribe button, for once this video concludes, you won't just observe science. You'll truly become part of it.